Morning students, welcome to the maths class. Today we are continuing unit 7 brain teasers. Question number 4 of brain teasers is convert into a decimal number. Fractions are given. A 3 by 20, B is a mixed number, C is again a mixed number. So how can we convert into a decimal number? By long division. Okay, so this question you will do on your own. Come to question number 5. Here we have if. This question you will do in book only. If 504 divides 12 equals to 42, means no need to check by division, the answer is given. Also in case of multiply, 504 multiplied 12 is 6048, then find the value. A part is 5.04 multiplied 12, means by ignoring the point, when 504 will be multiplied by 12, the answer will be 6048. Now we have to mark the point only. How many digits are after decimal here? Only 2. So we will count 2 digits from the back and mark the point here. Okay, here also only 1 digit is after decimal, so 604.8. In C part, 6048 is the product and the digits after decimal are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this kind of questions we have already done in our worksheets. Now division. The result of division is 42. Here how many digits are after decimal? 2. So we will mark the point here. Here also in 42 point will come at this, and this 42 here it will come at 0.042. Okay, this completes our question number 5. Come to question number 6. This question also you will do in your book. Fill in the boxes. All parts you have already done such kind of questions, but let's discuss some questions. 3.5 multiply 10. Multiplied by 10, then the number of 0 is 1. So the decimal will shift 1 digit to the right hand side. The answer will be 35.0, means 35 only. Here 7.5 multiply dash equals to 750. The decimal has been shifted how many digits? 1, 2. 2 digits it has been shifted. So 100 will come here. Okay. When it divides by 10, the decimal will shift 1 digit to the left. 5.309. Here also divides by 1000, means decimal will shift 3 digits to the left. 0.3564. Here I part. Dash divides 3.6 equals to 0. The answer is 0, means 0 divides by any number. Okay. The remaining parts of this question you will do on your own. Come to question number 7. Question number 7 is divide 1010.101 by 1.01. As the divisor is in decimal form, we will convert into fraction. Then multiply, reciprocal, can be cancelled easily. But for this cancellation, as the table is so big, 101, if we are unable to cancel it orally, we will do it by long division. 101 za, then 0, 0, 0, then again 101 za. So 101 za, 100. At the table of 101, it will go at 10,001. So finally it will come 10,001 by 10. As the question is in decimal form, mark the point by leaving 1 digit from the back. As there is only 1 0 in the denominator, the answer will be 1000.1. Okay, it completes our question number 7. Come to question number 8. 3.5 kilogram toffees are to be distributed among some children. Total quantity of toffees is given. If each child has to be given 0.5 kilogram toffees, how many children get the toffees? How many means the number of children we need to find out. The total quantity of toffees is given to each child. To find the number of children, what will we do? We will just divide the total quantity by the quantity given to each child. So same as in previous question, both the numbers are in decimal form. Convert into fractions, then division sign will be changed to multiplication by taking the reciprocal. 10 ones are 10 ones are 5 ones are 5 sevens are. It will be 7 ones are 1 ones are 7 children. Okay. Come to next question number 9. Mr. Ajay purchases 3 kilogram tomatoes at rupees 15.50 per kilogram. 3 kilogram tomatoes. The cost of per kilogram tomatoes is given. 5.5 kilogram potatoes at rupees 22 per kilogram. Find the total amount spent in all. So the question will be solved in 3 steps. Firstly, we will find the total cost of tomatoes, then the total cost of potatoes. Then by adding both the total cost, we will find the total amount. So the step 1 is cost of 1 kilogram tomatoes is given. To find the cost of 3 kilogram tomatoes, we will multiply by 3. Got the answer 46.50 rupees. Then step 2, cost of 1 kilogram potatoes is given. Cost of 5.5 kilogram potatoes. By multiply, we will get the answer. And the total amount spent here, we will add both the costs. The answer will be 167.50. Okay. Question number 10. The last question of our unit. Which of the following have 15 as quotient? Which part has 15 as quotient? These are very simple questions of division. You will yourself divide all the parts and check that which part has answer 15 and tick that one. Okay, this question you will do on your own. Now your homework is complete and revise unit 7. Also we have completed our first term syllabus, which is unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, means unit 1 to 7 and unit 17. Thank you.